Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give a value in feet, and then our program will convert the given feet into centimeter equivalent using JavaScript programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support by watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. We will just walk through how the code works, and then I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code. So we have here HTML. The title is convert feet to centimeter using JavaScript, and then we have several CSS properties here: the body, the form, header 1, header 2, label, input, button, output. So in this portion of our code, the title convert feet to centimeter using JavaScript, created by yours truly, Pomperada, MIT. And then in this portion, we will asking the user enter a number to convert that will be stored in this variable txt number, and then we have a button here and output. Now in our JavaScript code, we have here document query selector on submit, default. If there is an error, if number, we convert the text number into integer format, and then we have the output, and then the formula to convert now feet to centimeter is number, whatever value it is, divided by 0.032808, and then hidden, and then we display the centimeter value plus result fix to means 2 decimal places, and then we close the script, and then body and HTML. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Okay, let us go with our browser. So here in Google, we have here 1.1 feet is equivalent to 30.48. In our program, we have here 30.48. Let's say we have 50, convert. We have 1524.02. The same thing here, the same 50 rather, sorry. We have 1524.02. Another example, we have 41, convert 1249.70, 41, 1249.68. I just round off. Okay, so last example, we have 20. So 20, we have 609.6, and then I have 609.61. Almost accurate, no? Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to convert feet to centimeter using JavaScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 website. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.